At number 11, players Grace Owen Carlo versus Irene Gill. Once again, game number 29 at world level. Players Grace Owen Carlo versus Irene Gill.
Uy! Yan, ba't di ka nagpaparamdam? Meron ako dyan. Napamer. Nakuha na.
Number 11, game number 29. Players Grace Owen versus ING.
Lakas na naman.
Game number 21 at 43. Camila Enjade versus Simon Victor. Once again, game number 25
Jim, nakuha mo na
at 43. Camila Enjade
Nakuha na yan. May kumuha.
Simon Victor. Once again, I think ito rin gawin ko sa beach.
Kay Alan, meron ba? Alan,
Game number
Wenka.
25.
Dito siya.
Court number
uwi na
13. Players Gilbert and Chandler versus Sam Victor.
Malapit lang kasi siya sa akin, sir. Kaya pwede kong kunin. Malapit lang siya sa akin.
Court number 13. Live at IRE YouTube channel. Court number 9. IRE versus Fiji. And court number 5. Fiji versus ESNB. And court number 7. Aztec versus UAE. Once again, game number 25. Court number 13. Gilbert and Chandler versus Sam and Victor.
Long serve.
Calling po, you'd like to court number 11 from Pies. Ano po dito? Sister Rich. Oh, boys! Beijing Beijing player at court 13. Once again, Beijing. Second. Court number 11. Isaac versus UAB. You are blank man. Court number 13. Calling you out leader of court 13. Sir, guys, dito kayo. Court number 7. Isaac versus UAB.
Change court.
UFP Inter Badminton Cup Season 2 Court number 13 live at IIEE YouTube channel. Ganun ka ba mo?
Sir, mali kanina yung laro mo sir. 1 point lang.
Change shadow cup
Wrong sir.
at avoid 11. Game number 31, Court 5. Winner, Peachy. Player, Grace Inez. Game number 36, Court number 5. Player, Nikki and Sharon versus Jim and Jordan. Once again, game number 36 at court number 5. Players, Nikki and Sharon versus Jim and Jordan.
Wrong place pala kami. Wala natin yan lang po sa malapit. Oh, yeah, di talaga. Kailan kayo, ma'am?
Malayo.
Ay, ako, hindi pa namin. Ako. Pili-pili kita po.
Hindi, ito paggamitan natin. Hindi maganda siya.
Ano yan, Miss Tati? Apo.
Picture or
Pero baka hindi yun, guys. Ano po ba? Ay, sorry.
Ninyo po ng help.
UAP! UAP! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Thank you so much. Ito lang kasiyahan namin.
Game number 23, court number 9. PG versus Haya Liki. Winner, PG.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Let's go!